these 6 fitan. The fitnah of community, bad community. The second is the fitnah, the trial and tribulation of your companions, your friends, those who you sit with. The third is that of wealth. Be humble, appreciate and be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The fourth is the fitnah of Iblis, shaitan. He's always trying to make you slip up, so be careful. The fifth is the fitnah of knowledge. Be humble and know that there are others who know more than you. And the sixth is the fitnah of rulership, the fitnah of kingdom. Be humble and obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One who is saved from all these fitan, Allah Jalla wa ala mentions their reward at the end of the surah. He says, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ كَانَتْ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتُ الْفِرْدَوْسِ نُزُلًا. Those who believe and did good deeds, they will be granted Jannatul Firdaus as their final place. خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا لَا يَبْغُونَ عَنْهَا حِوَلًا. They will be in there forever and they will not want any change. May Allah Jalla wa ala make us from these people. We ask Allah Jalla wa ala to make us from those who ponder over the Quran, extract lesson, and make us from those who are in the highest parts of Jannah. Ameen.